We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Don't stop. Let's load the crane with cargo bed. Ready. Let's build a station building for the children's train ride. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. Move the brush to wash the dirt away. Drag the washer along the vehicle and remove the rest of the foam.